Rensselaer County Board of Realtors past president, Greater Capital Association of Realtors past president, NYSAR director and committee chair. They are a commercial and industrial real estate broker member. They are a graduate of the Realtor Institute. Our recipient has a history of giving back to the community, although they prefer no recognition for these accomplishments. They even found time to run for a political office. You will know our recipient now by their involvement with the Realtors Political Action Committee, RPAC, as a member of the Board of Trustees for RPAC statewide, and as GCAR's RPAC fundraising chair locally. It is my pleasure to salute this person who has been an inspiration to me through her expertise and boundless energy. Congratulations. This year's GCAR Realtor of the Year award goes to Victoria Gettings. Wow, that's pretty scary that I was last year's Realtor of the Year and I grabbed the wrong plaque.